Let's review some Asos dresses. Yay! It's another haul! Hi guys, my name is Moyo and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some dresses that I just copped from Asos and I'll be trying them on for you guys. Let's get to it. Oh, let me give disclaimer. Some of these dresses are very rumpled. I chose not to iron. Yes, come and beat me. I will not be ironing because I don't know if I'm keeping it or not, and I cannot be committing to something that I may or may not be keeping. So you're just gonna take the rumpled views like that, and I must not hear pim from anybody. Okay? Okay? Just between you and I, let's keep it that way. Thank you. Now let's get to it. So you're gonna be seeing the dresses being tried on here. And dress number one is this green dress. The dress is lovely. I mean, green is a showstopper. It's honestly, you can almost not go wrong with Kelly green. I love Kelly green so much, and it's just so bright and happy and also calm and collected at the same time. You know what I mean? But this dress, it's a square neck. I'm not a huge fan of square necks, but this actually works. The material is very good. It's a really nice cotton material. I really like it. And got this in a UK size 8, and it's $130 before sales. So you can wait for ASOS to do sales because they always usually do sales. So just wait. Don't go and buy for $130. They'll do sales like every 2 business days, so just wait on that. But yeah, Kelly green dress, basic, simple, lovely. Tell me what you think in the comments. Dress number 2 is another green dress. No, I didn't plan it, but I think green was like in season last season or last 2 seasons or whatever, and I think it's still kind of around right now. And sage green is one of those like green colors that have been trending for a little bit as well. I mean, this one is giving a bit maternity. I mean, it's a bit maternity on me, but like it's not bad. It's a nice, I'm running errands and I just wanna, I don't want to tight the wall for my chest type dress. I love the smoked top. It has like this kind of it's looking a bit embroidered, but it's not. But like it's a really, I like the way the top is kind of like fitted and stuff like that. And this is also in a size 8, UK 8, and that's US 4. It fits well. I don't have any issues with it. I'm not sure about, I don't know, I just, long dresses like this on me just always give some kind of vibe, like I don't know. So I might just keep it for like a casual wear. And and this color, the quiet luxury people like colors like this. So if you are into quiet luxury, this is something for you that you can take. Let me know what you think in the comments. Up next is this white dress. It has a slit. It's a bit risky. It's giving risky vibes because it has a cutout and then it also has a slit. So this is what you wear when you know you're about to risk it all, like for a date night or whatever. This is a nice dress. I'm always like, I don't really like high necks, but this actually works for the style of the dress. And it's a good fit. It's stretchy. It has a stretch, not slight, I think it's pretty stretchy of a material, and the material is not bad. I think the material is a bit see-through. You can see here it's a bit see-through, so you might want to be conscious of the underwear that you put on it. But this is a nice dress. You can style it with like nice like pair of sandals with like a nice cute little clutch there and just like look cute. Let me know what you think. Okay, I think we have a fave. This dress right here, this one is definitely a fave. I love it so much. It's a jacquard material, and it has a corset. Like my boo says it's giving Bridgerton, but modern Bridgerton, if you know what I mean. But you know, I like it. I love the bubble hem that it has. I've always loved bubble hems. They were in like a while back, and I think they're coming back around. I love the color combination. If you know me, you know I'm a huge burnt orange fan. I love burnt orange, and you know, it's between that and fuchsia pink for me. And I love that it's paired, it's like mixed with this mint sage green color. This is definitely a wedding dress. I would totally wear this to a wedding. I'm actually excited to wear this to a wedding I have coming up. So this is under the Asos Luxe brand. So you know they have Asos has a separate brand called the Luxe, and I think it's maybe more, I hate the word luxury because people have just like bastardized that word, but let's just say luxury. So Asos luxury. I think it's probably more like higher quality, maybe better material, whatever. Clothing, I think for the most part the Asos Luxe stuff that I get, I usually like, you know, good material, better material than the usual. This is in a size 8, but I think it's a bit too tight on like the bust area for me. So I might be going a size up, so it runs a bit small. I'll see how that fits, because I actually like the fit on the waist and everything, but like the bust is a bit too tight. So we'll see how that actually looks like when I get the 10 and try it on. But yeah, thumbs up. Best, overall best. So the next dress, this one is nice, so but you know, fit enter me, the thing no gree enter. It actually doesn't fit. Like I bought size 8 UK, size 4 US, and it's just way too tight up here, and it wouldn't go over, and my ass wouldn't let it come from under. So I still showed you guys, you know, if you're interested. I honestly, I'm not even too crazy about the dress, so I might not go a size up. But you know, if you're into florals and you like the exaggerated sleeves and you like jacquard, it's jacquard, the material is jacquard. If you like all of that, this might be a good fit for you. So it's in a size 4, like I said. It's under the Asos Luxe brand as well, so if you like that, by all means go for it. Next dress I also really like. This is it's a nice sundress. I love like the whole like vibe going on. I love like the embroidery on the neck, the neckline. And guys, I know cutouts, we're tired. The people up there designing, please, we're tired of cutouts. The cutout trend is like getting out of hand. Every single thing now you're looking at it like, oh, this actually is cute, and then boom, they cut the side, cut the back, cut. I'm just like, come on. I mean, I love I love me some skin, showing some skin and all of that, but like sometimes you just want to have like a regular schmegular, like full clothing. But this is actually not bad. I love the way the cutout is. It's not too overbearing, and I also like that the way it actually fits around the bust area. Like I'm not like worried that like I'm having like boob slips on the side because of the cutout. It actually stays on. So I love this dress. It's a nice dress. Like you can wear it out as a casual fit or dress it up a little bit. I love the color as well. And this is a size 8, or is this a 10? No, this is actually a UK 10. So this is a size, I guess, a size 6 US. Yeah, it's a UK 10, and you know, I think I like the size. I wouldn't size down or up or whatever. I'll just go with this. So if you're buying this, you might want to size up because I think it runs small. If I had gone for an 8, it would have been too small. So maybe a 10 is a UK 10, not US, UK 10. All right, and then I also got this, you know, Gen Z glasses. This is the 2000s, you know, vibe that's been like around for a bit now, and I think it's still here in 2023. And I got that in green because you know green is also popping right now. And just you know have that whole, it's a visor glasses, so that's a trend. If you're into like getting into trends right now, that's something that you can get to feel in the times. This last item, me, I don't know, like, okay, the pants. I have been into like, you know, feathers are also in right now. A lot of things have feathers, like shoes and clothes and stuff have feathers with them that come with them right now. So I thought, okay, let's get some faux feather. And I honestly thought these pants were going to be a different material. The material is a bit, I don't know how to describe it, but it's stretch, so like it has more, I guess, polyester and stuff in it. It's very stretchy. I didn't expect for it to be that stretchy, and I don't know, it's just not giving the vibe that I wanted to give. And that the faux feather keep falling off just by opening it from the bag in the first place, and I'm like, come on Chelsea. So I got this in a UK 10. I usually size up for pants because yeah, you'll see it in the video why I size up. But anyways, I love the pink color, but this is just not my vibe. It's giving too much disco, and that's not me. So but if this is your thing, you can get like a nice blazer to go with it, and you know you can pull this off. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. This is it. That's all I got from Asos. I also got like a two-piece, but I found that I was just the shorts that I got, and the shirt I did not buy it, so I guess one piece. As I cannot now show you people one piece, I chose to not even wear it at all. So we'll come back again when we have two piece. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. It's been real. Thank you for tuning in. Oh yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Please help me to grow this channel. Subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.